A first step, I think that we are going to the Google driver, go to the Smart G4 text data, and then go to FAQ, find Dali Bridge. Okay, you can see that I have a picture here. This photo, and we click to enlarge this one. It will show you how we connected the SBus bridge device with the Dali lamp. And they have three things are very important. Firstly, you need to have one Dali power. It's the standard one, and you can buy from the market. And then, second one, all the Dali data cables are joined together. I mean, this is the Dali bus. Okay, this bus and D and joined together. And then this one all joined together and then goes to the Dali power supply. They have a V plus and V minus output. Then you can see that also needed before you go to the load to the lamps, they also need the AC input. You can join them together or separate. Now, and we are going to our next step to see the real devices. Thank you. Now we are going for the devices wiring. You can see firstly, and we have the Dali bridge. This one connected to the SBus networker, and later we will connect it to SBus networker. So you see this one has one SBus connection, another is Dali power supply. You see this is two DDs, so it means that the Dali bus has no polarity. Here I have this one, the Dali bus power supply. You can see one of this one will support for many of the devices. It get the AC input and get the output of 5 voltage 200 mA. Okay, so you can see they have this one two options for DA1 and DA2, and both the same. You can just join them together. So, and one of these cable we are going to goes to here, the Dali bridge. So you can see this one, and one of this cable connected to DA1, another to DA2. You can see they have each of the three, and you can do this connection. Okay, and then the other Dali bus, and we are going to different driver. I have here number 1, number 2, number 3, number 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have 5 driver, and let's check one of this one. You can see this one gets the AC power input, the neutral, and the lead well, which is go to the socket, such like this one. So I have joined this 2 and 3 together because they are from the same power supply. And the second one, you can see from here, they have also one is the Dali power bus connections. So we can connect it from here, and then join this Dali bus to here. So all the Dali bus join together. So this is one of them, and the second one, and the third one, the fourth one, and also this one, they are all joined together and going here. Another one, the AC input the power supply like this one, and go into the socket and take that and the ball, and you can see they have something I go into the lamppost. It's called here. You can see from this side. So each of this one had this to go to the load. So I have the lamppost. This 1, 2, 3, and also we can something lamppost like this, or the normal one like this. So let's connect it together. Thank you. Now we are giving the power to each of the loader of the lamppost. You can see all the lampposts is working, and the power supply has been connected. Also the SBus has been connected to the SBus network. Then we are going to the programming, go to Smart Cloud. Now we are going to our next step. Firstly, go to search and find the devices. You can see the Dali module has been listed here. And then we needed to go for check the firmware version. Make sure that you have this version and it is latest. And then double click. You can make some area set first. So you can see all these devices have 48 channels. And now for test, and we are making all channels in one area and name remark as test. Then we are going to this channel. The most important thing is to make address assignment, address management, because the other parts are almost the same like any demo, such as the node type and then all selected as lamp. And the lower limit, higher limit, and all same as whatever we have with the demo module. And then we go to the address manager. You can see they have 3 buttons here. The first, the fast scan, and then search for all, and the new project scan. If you go to for new one, and then just use this one. Wait until for 20 seconds for the devices to automatically scan for how many channels. It may take some more seconds because it is for the first time scanning. Now you see all the channels have been listed. If you see this long address and the short address, the long address is like the macro address, and the short address is the channel number has been listed in your devices. Now you can see I have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and has been listed here. Actually, after you save this addresses, and then you can go for fast scan and get this one. Or if any time and you got new devices connected, I mean new lamps connected to the Dali driver, and then you can go for search all. and then you can find it. That's the new one here, and then you can assign some of the address or change some of them. Then next step one, we are going to make some panel control for this one. But you can also go in here for test them one by one. So this is a nice ability on, and it can off. Now we are going for some of the control panels, such like CDP, and then we go to CDP to make some settings for controlling this Dali module. We go to 90. Now you can see the Dali module, the device ID is 17, subnet ID number 1, and we use sync channel 19 here and set it as dimmer. And number 1, number 2, number 3, we can make in some group control. Set this one as group, and also you can say this one as also as a group. Save. When you save, you need to refresh this one. So you can say I already have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 here, 5 of the channel. And then we are going for a test on our next group. Now we have moved the CDP panel here, and then we can do some of the testing. Firstly, turn on 1 and dimming, and then go to 100%. Second one, now we have turned on number 1, number 2, number 4, number 3. All of them are on now. So it means that everything is okay. You may test it by yourself. Thank you.